Hey kids, ever wonder why you don't zoom off into space like a rocket when you jump? That's gravity, an invisible superhero force pulling everything back to Earth. Picture this. About 300 years ago, a super smart scientist named Isaac Newton was chilling under a tree when an apple plopped right on his head. He wondered, why did it fall down, not up? Boom! Newton discovered gravity, the amazing force that pulls anything with stuff or mass toward each other. Gravity has some big jobs. The massive sun yanks planets like Earth into perfect orbits so we don't float away. And our Earth pulls the moon close, so it spins around us like a loyal puppy. The moon's gravity even makes our ocean tides rise and fall. Heavier things feel gravity's pull more strongly. A rock falls fast, while a feather floats down slowly because of air. But on the moon, where gravity is much weaker, you could jump super high. So next time you drop a toy, remember gravity rocks. See you for more mind-blowing fun.